Let's practice balancing chemical equations. The goal of chemical equations is to have the same number of each type of element on both sides of the equation. So let's start by writing down what we know. On this side, we know we only have one atom of sodium. Chlorine, we only have one, and fluorine, we have two, because the subscript here is 2. We're going to write a line down the page to help us see it better. Now we'll do the same thing. Sodium, we only have one. Fluorine, we're going to put this one down here so we can visualize it better. And there is only one fluorine. And chlorine, on this side of the equation, we have 2. Okay, so right now we see that the sodiums match. There's one here and one here, so that looks pretty good. But for the chlorine, there's 2 on this side of the equation, and there's only 1 on this side of the equation. So let's start. We're going to use a pencil just in case we need to change this. We're going to multiply this by 2, and we get 2. So we'll write a 2 up here. And so now these 2 match, but we just add another one up there, so we have to multiply this one by 2 as well. And that equals 2. So now this one doesn't match. In order to make it 2, we multiply it by 2. So this 2 right here goes up here. So far, all those match. Except for now, the fluorine on this side now needs to be multiplied by 2. And equals 2, and it just turns out that that is the amount that we need to get those 2 to match. So these ones, we don't need to put anything here or here because that's just going to be 1. And now we can write this in Sharpie, and we can see that this needs to have 2 moles, and this one needs to have 2 moles.